So we have a non-CDB and we migrate it to become a PDB. But what if you would like to go backwards? So this is the setup here. We have a 12201 non-CDB database, and we would like to upgrade it to 19C and then plug it in and convert it into a PDB. In order to have any possibilities of going backwards, it must be a CDB with compatible 12201 or matching the source compatibility. So let's assume we did all that, but AutoUpgrade does that for you. So you don't have to do this manually by yourself. The only extra thing you need in your AutoUpgrade config file, you need to specify the last line here in the config file, target CDB. This is the CDB you're gonna plug in. AutoUpgrade does not create it for you, so you have to create it. And please remember how to create that CDB with the correct compatible setting. And remember also the time zone files. Then you kick off AutoUpgrade with deploy mode, and AutoUpgrade does the upgrade, and then the plugin checks and then plugs it in, even across servers now. So we have a source database, 12201 non-CDB. We upgrade, we plug in, convert. We have set intentionally in this CDB compatible 12200 as it is set in our source non-CDB. How can we go backwards? We can have a CDB 12201 and we can run downgrade scripts. So we get downtime now and we run downgrade scripts. And once the downgrade scripts are finished, we can unplug and plug and then finish the downgrade afterwards in the source environment. We will show you in the next chapter how that works in detail. So this would be an option, but we would end up with a CDB, not a non-CDB. We have now a PDB 12201, but what could we do with that? There is no reconvert. There is no actually PDB to non-CDB. The script is called non-CDB to PDB, but there's no reverse unless you write it. What do? Any other options? Still compatible 12200. Couldn't we do transportable table spaces? Compatible is set correctly, but no. Unfortunately, it's a lower release, so we can't even do that. That does not work. Transportable table spaces works only same release or higher release, but never to a lower release, regardless of your compatible setting. There's a nice blog post out there. So while a transport to a lower release may work in some cases, it's not an action Oracle supports. So also that doesn't work.